What?
The room number so we got discount.
Whose room number?
The Cowboy.
Oh. Who do you want me to get it from?
Your string will be the child. I still have it on my cell phone.
I did have it on mine.
What do you mean? I was gonna have you can call me. It's still going.
So you want me to go to the front desk and ask them for the redneck room and a sucker?
No, we're all gonna get suckers.
I do like suckers.
For master plan.
Oh.
Oh, you want that?
Maybe.
Here is our master plan.
Master plan.
We are going to go up and Madison is going to get the one room number. Do you think that's so we're going to go knock off too. It's like you know this, but they don't all know.
Did you say dong dong ditch?
Yeah. Because it's not ding dong, because there's no doorbell.
Knock knock ditch. Oh, I thought you said dong dong. I'm like, that makes no sense, Allie. And she probably did say it.
Like a cake or something.
Those are ding dongs?
Yeah. Well, whatever. Like asking for like. And like we're also gonna get lunch. She's already done a steaky like in front of them. How it's like. How are you gonna describe them to people though? You're just gonna have to. What do people remember?
Why not? I walked up to a man and asked him what he had in his trailer.
The camo people at the cluster is paid. I don't think they even give you.
Good.
Well, wait. We should have figured out what room number he was in.
The pig man?
No, the camo people.
Oh, I have a feeling they have a lot of room.
I think they.
See, that's why we should have gone on their elevator.
I think we couldn't fit. I think one of us could at least fit.
We could have fit.
We could have. I think one of us could have. You know what? You have the pool towel.
Are you kidding?
Actually, no. We can go to the front desk and ask for more towels. And then.
Conveniently, yeah. Ooh, I like the stripy towels.
Those are the same as those. See? Look, Allie. Hold on.
You say I'm weird.
Look, it looks like there's water in the glimmering thing.
Yeah.
Well, they have a TV in there. And the post has them.
And the ring.
And we have a mirror too. We can do the sticky leg. We can sticky leg. Or a whole bunch of other dances. Hey, is that another door? That's very flexible. That says 3 feet now.
3 feet. No diving.
My butt was really bad. Well, she's not being very discreet about it.
What?
You should have videotaped that. Look at her, she just did it again.
I am tan as a rock.
Yeah. You're entertaining though. Alright, so what are we doing? Are we having our own dance party or are we playing knocked off stitch? Knock stitch. Oh, no, not especially where Barbara's gone, so at least you can't yell at us.
Well, our parents are going to be right there. Just remember, it's 320 and 323.
And
Do you know what room number it is?
What room number?
Are you filming Nampa?
Yeah.
Lovely.